Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft directly in your web browser. First, navigate to a reputable website offering a browser-based version of the game. You will typically find a simplified experience compared to the full desktop client. These versions often provide a quick and easy way to enjoy the core mechanics without any downloads or installations. We will explore the most common and accessible options available to you. One popular option is Minecraft Classic, which is completely free and browser-based. This version replicates the game as it was in its initial release, offering a nostalgic experience. You can build structures using 32 original block types and even share your world with up to 9 other players. It is a fantastic way to experience the foundational elements of Minecraft without any cost or complex setup. Beyond the official Classic version, you can find various community-developed projects that allow browser play. These often involve emulations or fan-made recreations of different Minecraft eras. While they can offer unique experiences, their features and stability might vary significantly. Always ensure you are using a trusted website to avoid any potential issues, and be prepared for a less polished experience than the official game. It is important to set realistic expectations for browser-based Minecraft. These versions generally do not include the latest updates, new biomes, or advanced gameplay mechanics found in the full game. You might experience simpler graphics and potentially lower frame rates. They are ideal for a quick dose of nostalgia or casual building, but not for deep, long-term survival or creative projects requiring extensive features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.